Feeling stressed? Right now, I've been there. What if just 60 seconds of breathing could calm your mind and body almost instantly, without any fancy tools or experience? 60 seconds is equal to instant calm. Try this. Hi, I'm not a psychologist. I'm just sharing my personal experience with simple breathing techniques that really help reduce stress. These are easy methods I use, and you can do them anywhere. Let's try a quick test. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel that? Even a small difference is possible right now. I know what it feels like. Deadlines, traffic, notifications non-stop. I used to distract myself with snacks, scrolling, or multitasking. It helped for a minute, but the stress always came back. Has anyone ever told you to just relax? For me, that advice didn't work. Here's the thing. Sometimes, just noticing that you feel stressed is already the first step toward feeling better. How do you handle stress? I use 3 simple breathing techniques, and you can try them too. These are easy and don't need special equipment. Let me explain them in simple words. 1. Box breathing. Think of your breath like drawing a square. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Breathe out for 4. And hold again for 4. Even after 1 round, my shoulders relax and my chest feels lighter. It's a mini reset for your body whenever stress hits. 2, 4, 7, 8. Breathing. Perfect if your thoughts are racing. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7, then exhale slowly for 8 seconds. I use this when I feel anxious or restless. It slows down my thoughts and brings calm fast. 3. Alternate nostril breathing. This helps balance your energy. Close your right nostril, breathe in through your left, then switch and exhale through your right. Repeat a few rounds. I find it clears my mind and helps me feel steady and focused. You don't need to do all 3 at once. Try one now. Notice how it feels and which one is easiest to start with. Now tell me, which will you try first? Box breathing, 4, 7, 8, alternate nostril? Now let's focus on box breathing. It's simple but very powerful. Imagine your heart racing before a meeting or exam. Pause. Breathe in. Hold. Out. Hold. 1 minute later, your body feels calmer and your mind sharper. I've tried this myself many times, and science agrees. Heart rate lowers, focus improves, and stress decreases. Now tell me, have you tried transformation breathing yet? Take a moment. Even try 1 round now. The best part? You don't need a quiet room or yoga mat. 2 minutes of breathing works anywhere. Traffic, lunch break, bedtime. I like to ask myself, when could I fit 2 minutes of calm into my day? Morning, lunch, or night? Think about it for a moment. You can try it too. Now that stress is everywhere, but breathing has become my instant tool for calm. Box, 4, 7, 8, or alternate nostril. Pick one. Try it today and notice the shift. Tell me, which one will you try first? Take a moment to decide. Which breathing technique will you try? Start small. Just 1 technique for 2 minutes today. Feel it, notice the difference, and try it again tomorrow. Little steps like this can make a big impact on your stress and help you stay calm anytime. Next step. Try 1 technique today and feel the calm. Your 1 comment could change someone's life.